Hey there, my name is John Kern. I'm the Advanced Planning Project Coordinator at Maryland Volunteer Lawyer Service. And today we're going to talk a little bit about naming a personal representative who's going to oversee your estate after you pass away. So the role of a PR, personal representative, is basically to make sure that your wishes are followed correctly. So you're going to indicate in your will who you would like to receive all of your assets, and this person makes sure that those assets are passed properly to the folks that you've named. If the estate has to go through the probate process, estate administration, we call it in Maryland, then the person's going to go to the orphans court, open up the estate, work with an attorney if need be, and the judge to make sure that all those assets get to the right place. In addition, you may have things that you've named in advance through naming your beneficiaries, and that could be your bank accounts or your car or insurance policies or even a pension if it's going to pay out after you pass away. And those are going to be phone calls to those different organizations, so to the bank to make sure your checking and savings account get to where it needs to go, to the MBA to retitle any cars if they're going to pass, to the insurance company to make sure that the insurance company pays out if there's money owed to a beneficiary. So basically they're just overseeing everything you've got and they're passing it along. So in terms of choosing that person, as you can imagine, they're dealing with all the paperwork as part of your estate, so your whole estate plan, and they're also dealing with the family members. So they have to be able to explain to everyone that this is what you wanted, and they're just following your directions and making sure this stuff gets paid out to the right people. And then, of course, if they're interacting with the court, they've got to file everything correctly. So it's somebody that's probably pretty organized, somebody that you've spoken to about how you want the administration of your estate to go, and somebody that's, kind of a producer mind, kind of a numbers person, and also somebody that's judicious and good with all the different family members. So that's about it. Make sure it's somebody that you trust. It's an important role to play, and they're also entitled to a portion of the estate. So it's a kindness for someone to do this for you, but also there is some monetary reward involved as well. So that's that. Tune in for more news coming up, and thanks for listening.